You check in with Annie Rose Ramos. She is live in Gorman with the latest on the Post fire. Those flames raging behind you, Annie Rose.
That's exactly right. You can see the flames behind me. They are making their way up to this street. We're not going to cross the street because these power lines you see above me, they are active. To my right, you can see fire crews ready to move in, holding their water because they know that this is going to only get even closer, and they don't want it to jump the line and then jump over to Interstate 5, which is just what we're standing right next to. So they're keeping that from happening. But over here, take a look at these flames. We know that this fire is raging. It continues to spread as it gets hotter throughout the day, as the wind continues. It is now nearly 11,000 acres, and we got that update from LA County Fire, 0% contained. Again, these power lines are active. We are going to move back, but we wanted to get back to Gorman and give you an idea of just how much and how wide this fire has spread. We were here 2 hours ago. This fire wasn't even anywhere near the road, anywhere near this hillside, and now you can see how fast it is moving. Everyone that we have talked to in this community says they are struck by how fast-paced these flames have moved throughout the Gorman area. But again, as we stand, as of this morning, nearly 11,000 miles of this fire raging on, continuing to spread. We know that hundreds of crews from LA County to Ventura County are working out here, but thus far 0% contained. All right, reporting live. We'll send it back to you guys in the studio.